So here we are at the in our street, clapping the key workers. Everybody clapping the key workers now. I'm just bashing my leg. On account, it's very difficult to clap, and you can hear the fireworks going off. This is Coventry, United Kingdom. Amidst the current situation, we are clapping away for key workers, which I think is excellent. We've had one or two spits of rain, but I think we imagine somebody's having fireworks every week. So we're still clapping and the hands are aching. I'm just smacking my leg. 2, 1, 3! Well done to all the key workers. I had one spit. I think we're allowed a spit each.
There's my spit.
Yeah, give it a wave. Yeah, you'll be on this week's. Give us a wave, John. There you go. Okay, well that's it from our street in Coventry, United Kingdom. Bye for now.